Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we will see the 7th part of the chapter 3 differentiation. In this part we will see the derivative of an implicit function. Okay. Earlier we have seen derivative of an logarithmic function. Today we will see derivative of an implicit function. So first of all you should know what is explicit and what is implicit. Okay, what is an explicit function? If in a function y can be expressed as the function of x only, then that means if you can separate x and y terms in a function, then it is called explicit function. Okay, for example, see, function of x is equals to x square plus x raised to minus 3 is given. In this function there is x term on the right side. Okay, next example is y equals to log x plus e. Here y is on one side and x is on other side, so here you can separate x and y, so this is explicit function. Okay, but if it happens that you cannot separate x and y on both sides, then it is called implicit function. Okay, see, if it is not possible to express y as a function of x or as x as a function of y, then the function is called implicit function. That means if you cannot separate x and y, then it is called implicit function. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here you cannot separate the term xy in two parts. Okay, you cannot write the function as y equals to function of x or x equals to function of y. So this is called implicit function. Okay, the general form of an implicit function of two variables x and y is f of x comma y equal to 0. Here it is used x comma y because function contains both the terms x and y. Okay, see the sample how to solve this type of questions. In this type of question you have to simply differentiate the terms, but remember that whenever you are differentiating y, you have to write dy by dx. Then at last you have to separate dy by dx term and the term which do not contain dy by dx. Okay, let's see the example to understand it clearly. Example is given. Find dy by dx if y cube minus 3y square x is equals to x cube plus 3x square y. Okay, here it is implicit function because term y square x cannot be separated and also plus 3x square y term cannot be separated, so it is implicit function. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 3y square dy by dx minus 3y square minus 3x into 2y dy by dx. How we had got this? See, derivative of y cube is just as we differentiate x raised to n, differentiate in the same way we get 3y square, but derivative of y is dy by dx, so we have to write that also. Minus next term is 3y square into x. Here we have to use product rule, that means u into v formula. So 3 is constant, 3y square into d by dx of x, derivative of x is 1, so it is 3y square, minus now x is written as it is, 3 is as a coefficient, derivative of y square is 2y, but there should be dy by dx also as we are differentiating y. Okay, now see right side. In right side it is given x cube, so derivative of x cube is 3x square. Clear? Plus second term is also again u into v formula we have to apply, 3x square into derivative of y is dy by dx plus 3y into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Clear? Next, see the next step. In next step we have done 3y square dy by dx minus 6xy. We are collecting the terms which contain dy by dx on left side and collecting the terms which do not contain dy by dx on right side. See, in left side we are having all the terms containing dy by dx. So it is 3y square dy by dx minus 6xy dy by dx minus 3x square dy by dx. This term is shifted from right side to left side. Okay, equals to, on the right side we have put all the terms which do not contain dy by dx. So it is 3x square plus 6xy plus 3y square. Okay, now taking dy by dx common from all the three in left side, we get 3y square minus 6xy minus 3x square into dy by dx equals to 3x square plus 6xy plus 3y square. Okay, then divide the term. When this 3y square minus 6xy minus 3x square is shifted from left to right, it will come in denominator. So we will get dy by dx equals to 3x square plus, here 3 is taken common from both sides and cancel out. We get x square plus 2xy plus y square upon y square minus 2xy plus minus y square. Okay, so you can understood. Let's see one more example. Here the question is, find dy by dx if x raised to y is equals to y raised to x. Okay, this is logarithmic differentiation and implicit function. Okay, so taking log of both sides, we get y log x equals to x into log y. So differentiating on both sides, we get y into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So we get y into 1 by x plus log x is written as it is into derivative of y is dy by dx. Clear? Then coming on right side, we have x into derivative of log y. Derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx, as you know, plus log y into derivative of x is 1. Clear? See the next step. In next step, we are collecting the terms of dy by dx in left side and non dy by dx terms in right side. So we get log x dy by dx minus x upon y dy by dx equals to log y minus y by x. Clear? Now taking dy by dx common, we get log x minus x by y dy by dx equals to log y minus y by x. Now taking LCM, we get y by cross multiplying, we get y log x minus x upon y dy by dx equals to, in right hand side also we have taken cross multiplication and LCM, we get x log y minus y upon x. Now the coefficient of dy by dx is shifted to right side, it will become inverse reciprocal. So we get x log y minus y upon x into y upon y log x minus x. Taking y common from numerator, we get y x log y minus y upon x into y log x minus x. Okay, so the terms y and x are separated and log terms are written along with the terms. See the exercise 3.4. Here first question, there are three parts. First question is root x plus root y equals to root a. Second is x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y equals to 0. Third is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equals to 81. All these type questions are of by implicit function. These solutions are given in the video, so you can see how to solve this question by using the method of implicit function. Let's see exercise 3.4. Here we have to use derivative of implicit function. See question 1. Find dy by dx if first part is root x plus root y equals to root of a. So here x and y are variables and a is constant. Okay. So by using derivative of implicit function, we write here first differentiating with respect to x. This is root x, na? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. plus here root y is differentiated as root x, so it will be 1 upon 2 root y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. Remember that whenever you differentiate the terms of y, you have to write dy by dx also. Here root a is constant, so its derivative is 0. Now shifting this, okay. Now shifting this root y, we get dy by dx equals to 2 root y upon 2 root x. 2 will be cancelled out and we get dy by dx equals to minus of root y by x. Clear? Now see second sum. Here function is given x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y. So this is an implicit function. Okay. Again we write here differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay. So derivative of, okay, write this also, d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube plus d by dx of 4x cube y is equals to d by dx of 0 also. Clear? Now derivative of x cube, it is treated as x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n, x raised to n minus 1. So using this formula we write here 3x raised to 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, plus y cube is 3y 3 minus 1, 2, and dy by dx because we are differentiating the term of y. Clear? Plus d by dx of 4x cube y. Here take 4 as constant. Okay, take it outside. Now we have to use u into v formula, product rule. Okay, so write x cube d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x cube. This is u into v. U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Here we get 0 because derivative of any constant is 0. Okay. Now 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx plus 4x cube dy by dx plus y into derivative of x cube is 3x square. 3x square equal to 0. Okay. So we got this line. Now 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx plus 4x cube dy by dx plus 4 into 3 becomes 12x square y equal to 0. Now we collect the terms containing dy by dx. 4x cube plus 3y square dy by dx equals to, shifting this term and this term, minus 3x square minus 12x square y. Clear? Now taking dy by dx common in left side, we get 4x cube plus 3y square equals to, taking minus 3x square as common, we get 1 plus 4y. Okay. Now at last dividing by this term on right side, we get upon 4x cube plus 3y square. Okay, this is same, dividing by this in right side. Clear? So we got the answer. dy by dx equals to minus 3x square 1 plus 4y upon 4x cube plus 3y square. Clear? Now see third sum. Third sum is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equals to 81. Here 81 is constant. Okay. So again writing, differentiating with respect to x, we get d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of x y square plus d by dx of y cube equals to d by dx of 81. Okay, derivative of x cube is 3x square plus, here we have to use product rule. So x square into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x square. This whole bracket is the derivative of x square y. Same applying product rule here also, we get x into d by dx of y square plus y square into d by dx of x. Okay, so this is the derivative of x y square. Now plus d by dx of y cube plus 3y square into dy by dx equals to d by dx of 81 is 0. So this is here one's first step. Okay, this whole thing is a single step. Now 3x square plus x square into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x plus x into derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x is 1 plus 3y square dy by dx equals to 0. Now we will open this bracket, 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy plus, here we get 2xy dy by dx plus y square plus 3y square dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. Now taking dy by dx terms, x square dy by dx plus 2xy dy by dx plus 3y square dy by dx, and rest all the terms will be shifted in right side. This is minus 3x square minus 2xy and minus y square. Okay. Now taking dy by dx common, dy by dx is taken common, and we get x square plus 2xy plus 3y square equals to, taking minus common, we get 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. In next step we will divide the term. We will divide by this term. Okay, on right side. So we get dy by dx is equals to minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the final answer. Clear? I hope you all have understood.